Ever felt like your online life is a bit like a ship lost at sea, especially when you can't remember a crucial password? It's frustrating, right? Today, we're throwing you a lifeline, specifically for all you Newton users out there. We're tackling a question that plagues us all at some point: how do I change my Newton password? Now, before we dive in, let's acknowledge something. Passwords are the gatekeepers of our digital world. They're the difference between your precious data being safe and sound, and, well, not so safe. We all know we should use strong, unique passwords for every single account, but life gets in the way. We reuse passwords, we pick easy-to-remember phrases, and sometimes, we just plain forget them. It happens. But here's the good news: changing your Newton password is a straightforward process. And that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. We'll walk you through each step, ensuring you can update your password quickly and securely. No more frantic searching for that scrap of paper where you thought you wrote it down. No more guessing game of old passwords. Just a simple, clear guide to reclaiming control of your Newton account. Now, why might you want to change your password in the first place? Several reasons. Maybe you suspect someone might have access to your account. Maybe you've just been reminded about the importance of regular password updates. Or maybe, just maybe, you've simply forgotten your current password and need to reset it. Whatever your reason, we've got you covered. Let's start with the most common scenario. You remember your current password but want to change it for security reasons. First, you'll need to head over to the Newton website or open the Newton app. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings or Account Management section. This is usually represented by a gear icon, your profile picture, or something similar. Click on it. Within the Settings menu, you should find an option related to security, login, or password. It might be labeled slightly differently depending on the version of Newton you're using, but it's usually pretty easy to spot. Click on that. Now, you'll likely be asked to confirm your current password. This is a crucial security step to make sure it's really you trying to make the change. Enter your current password accurately. Once confirmed, you'll be presented with the option to change your password. Here's where the magic happens. You'll need to enter your new password and then confirm it by typing it in again. This double entry helps prevent typos and ensures you've entered the password you intended. Now, let's talk about creating a strong password. This is absolutely vital. A weak password is like an open door for hackers. Think of it this way: you wouldn't leave your house unlocked, would you? Your online accounts deserve the same level of protection. So, what makes a strong password? Ideally, it should be a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. The longer the password, the better. Think of a phrase or sentence that's meaningful to you, but not obvious to others. You can even use a password manager to generate and store strong passwords for you. These tools are incredibly helpful and take the hassle out of remembering multiple complex passwords. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name, birthday, or pet's name. These are the first things hackers will try. Also, resist the temptation to use the same password for multiple accounts. If one account is compromised, all the others using the same password are vulnerable. Once you've entered your new password and confirmed it, click the Save or Update button. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your Newton password. Make sure to remember your new password, or better yet, store it securely in a password manager. Now, what if you've forgotten your current password? Don't panic. This happens to the best of us. The process is slightly different, but still manageable. Go to the Newton login page. You should see a link that says Forgot Password or something similar. Click on it. You'll likely be asked to enter your email address or username associated with your Newton account. Enter the information and click Submit or Request Reset. Newton will then send you an email with instructions on how to reset your password. This email usually contains a link that you need to click. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the email in your inbox. Once you click the link in the email, you'll be taken to a page where you can create a new password. Follow the same guidelines for creating a strong password that we discussed earlier. Enter your new password, confirm it, and click Save or Update. And that's it. You've successfully reset your forgotten password. Again, make sure you remember this new password or store it securely. So, to recap, changing your Newton password is a two-part process. If you know your current password, you can change it directly through the Settings menu. If you've forgotten your password, you can reset it using the Forgot Password option. In both cases, remember the importance of choosing a strong, unique password to protect your account. Regularly updating your passwords is a good security practice. It's like changing the locks on your house every so often. It adds an extra layer of protection and reduces the risk of unauthorized access. We've covered the steps for both changing and resetting your Newton password. We've also talked about the importance of strong passwords and password managers. Hopefully, this video has been helpful and has empowered you to take control of your Newton account security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.